SOFI update here on the 23rd. So, big move down today in the markets. We had Google down about 7%, Amazon 4.5%, SPY 1.23%, VIX was up 12%, SOFI down 2.46%. So, should you be worried about this move down? Is this the move we're going to go all the way down here? The answer is no. I do not think that's going to happen. I think that we are still in this B wave. You watched these videos before. This right here is A. We're currently in a B wave, and we're going to get a C wave down. If you look at what's going on here too, as far as timing wise goes, this was 13 days up. This was 10 or 11 days down. This was a month. And so what does not make any sense to me would be that we topped out. That doesn't really make that much sense. Or I should say, not that we topped out, that we have made the C wave higher. I think we're still in overall B wave here. So A, finishing off B, and we should have at least one more move up. That's what I've been saying for a long time. Originally, I had said there's a possibility this was the start of it, but then we got this move down here, and I don't think that this is the start of this move down yet. The only way that would be possible is if we were in a WXY B wave. So WXY, and again, the timing doesn't really make that much sense. The timing makes more sense that we are finishing off B, and you look at when this started. It was on May 19th. Let's say we finish it in the next couple of days on, let's say tomorrow. You're looking at about 2 months to finish off AB. I would typically look for about a month up for the C wave. So that would take us into mid-August, maybe August OPEX is like Thursday, August 21st, up here to about 21 bucks. So I do think we're on track for that still. Can it still go up here? Absolutely. It can still go up here to 21, 22 bucks. I don't know if it will. It could stop at 20. I would say probably around 20 bucks would be the best bet. What else can I say about this? Let's go over the short term on this. So short term here, it was clearly a third wave here now. And then makes this the fourth wave right here. So you're just looking at this like fifth wave is in play right here. I think that there's a possibility you see one more low. Maybe you get a move up tomorrow into OPEX. Maybe it goes back to like 17 bucks. And then we see one more move down. You could see something all the way down here to 16. It does seem like that's kind of pushing it a little bit. But if we draw a parallel line here from the very top of wave A and put it at the bottom of subwave A of B, we hit the outside of that parallel line. So it might have bottomed today too. So that's kind of where I would expect it to hit based on these parallel lines. And we made a low. We hit 1647. So I'm not sure if you're going to get this move down. It could happen, could not happen. We'll have to see. It does seem like it's a very, very forced move on all of these stocks, to be honest. Like Microsoft, Amazon, Google, they all seem forced to me. And what's funny about it is they're holding up these stocks like this. So what I'm expecting really is I'm expecting very soon, actually it probably will start in the next couple of days, I would imagine, these stocks are going to tank. Nebius, ARM, MU, all of those stocks should start tanking again, I think. That's my thesis on it. And then that money is going to flow into software stocks, Google, Amazon, all those. Although I think there is some more downside. I think they could make a nice bounce here soon. SOFI is on a different path, and we have earnings coming up. Again, I think that we're looking at 20 bucks. And let's say we bottomed right here. Still potentially 21 bucks. So, should you be buying the dip? Obviously, I mean, I was saying buy the dip down here at 18 bucks as well. And that's what I did. I'm not really worried at all. I think we're going up. And we did create some bullish divergence here on the hourly. The daily here, you can see RSI has broken this low from this price low right here. That's a very positive sign. That does tell me that if it were to keep on going and break below 1565, then I'd be like, man, I might be wrong about this. So 1565 is kind of like the line in the sand, but I don't think we get there. I think we might see at a max where this is showing 16 bucks. And then we should see the move up. That's really all there is to say. This isn't really a different video than the last one. And we'll see what happens over the next couple of days going into earnings. Earnings are in 6 days. And that's all I got for right now. So leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates, and I'll catch you in the next video.